Have you ever found yourself staring at a crypto exchange, overwhelmed by the sheer number of assets available, and wondering which ones are actually supported and safe to trade? It's a common feeling, and when it comes to Gemini, a platform known for its security and regulatory compliance, understanding the full list of supported assets is crucial. It's not just about what you can buy and sell, it's about what you can hold, what you can stake, and what new opportunities are on the horizon. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, the landscape changes constantly. New tokens emerge, and established ones get delisted. So, keeping an up-to-date, comprehensive view of a platform's offerings is more than just a matter of curiosity, it's a fundamental part of a sound investment strategy. Today, we're going to dive deep into exactly that. We'll break down Gemini's supported assets, not just giving you a list, but also providing the context and nuance behind what each category means for you as a trader or investor. Gemini has built its reputation on being a trusted and regulated platform. This focus on compliance means that their asset listing process is rigorous. They don't just add any token that gets popular overnight. They conduct a thorough review, including technical, legal, and compliance assessments. This due diligence is a key differentiator, and it's why so many people trust Gemini with their assets. So, let's start with the basics. What are the core native assets that form the foundation of Gemini's offerings? The list is robust and includes the major players you would expect to see on any reputable exchange. Of course, you have Bitcoin, BTC, the original and undisputed king of crypto. Then there's Ethereum, ETH, the decentralized powerhouse that underpins the world of decentralized finance and NFTs. These two are the cornerstones of almost any crypto portfolio. Beyond the big two, Gemini supports a strong selection of other top-tier native cryptocurrencies. We're talking about assets like Litecoin, LTC, often seen as a lighter, faster alternative to Bitcoin. You'll also find Bitcoin Cash, BCH, a fork of Bitcoin designed for faster and cheaper transactions. Dogecoin, Doge, the meme coin that took the world by storm, is also on the list, a testament to its staying power and community support. But Gemini's native asset list goes much deeper than just the old guard. They've embraced more modern, scalable blockchains as well. Look for Solana, SOL, a high-performance blockchain known for its speed and low transaction costs. Polkadot, DOT, a multi-chain network designed to connect different blockchains, is another key player. And of course, Avalanche, AVAX, an Ethereum competitor that's gaining significant traction for its speed and efficiency. The list also includes Arbitrum, ARB, Cosmos, Atom, and Optimism, OP, all integral to the scaling and interoperability narratives of the crypto world. Now, let's talk about the world of tokens. This is where things get a bit more complex, but also incredibly exciting. Gemini supports a wide array of tokens, primarily focusing on ERC-20 tokens built on the Ethereum network and SPL tokens from the Solana ecosystem. This is a crucial point because it shows Gemini's commitment to supporting the most dominant smart contract platforms. The ERC-20 token list is extensive, and it's where you'll find a lot of the decentralized finance, or DeFi, projects. Assets like Aave, AAVE, a lending and borrowing protocol, and Compound, Comp, another leading DeFi platform, are on the list. You'll also find Chainlink, Link, a decentralized Oracle network that brings real-world data onto the blockchain. The list goes on to include other major players like Decentraland, Mana, the native token of a virtual world, and Gala, a token for a blockchain-based gaming ecosystem. Gemini's support for SPL tokens on Solana is also worth highlighting. This includes some of the most popular and volatile meme coins, like Bonk, and Dogwifat, WIF. It also features important ecosystem tokens such as JITO, JTO, and PYTH Network, PYTH, which are essential for Solana's growth and functionality. This shows Gemini's willingness to keep up with the latest trends and innovations, while still maintaining its strict listing standards. But the list of supported assets doesn't stop at just native cryptocurrencies and tokens. Gemini has also been a pioneer in another fascinating area, stablecoins. Their native stablecoin, the Gemini dollar, GUSD, is a major part of their ecosystem. It's pegged to the US dollar and is fully backed by cash reserves, making it a reliable tool for traders who want to park their funds in a stable asset. They also support other major stablecoins like Tether, USDT, and USD Coin, USDC, which gives users a variety of options for managing their portfolio's risk. And here's where things get truly interesting and unique to Gemini. In some jurisdictions, they have offered support for tokenized stocks. This is a groundbreaking innovation that bridges the traditional finance world with the crypto space. It allows you to trade tokens that represent ownership in a fraction of a traditional stock. For example, you might find tokenized versions of stocks from companies like Tesla, TSLA, Amazon, AMZN, and NVIDIA, NVDA. This feature is a game changer for those who want to diversify their portfolio with both traditional and digital assets, all within the same regulated platform. It's important to note that this is a feature with specific jurisdictional limitations, so you should always check if it's available in your region. Now, let's talk about some of the services that Gemini offers that are directly tied to these assets. For a while, the Gemini Earn program was a major draw, allowing users to lend their crypto and earn interest. While this program has faced significant challenges and is no longer operational in the same way, its history is important. The story of its discontinuation and the subsequent efforts to return assets to users is a powerful example of Gemini's commitment to its customers and its adherence to regulatory processes. More recently, Gemini has placed a strong emphasis on staking. Staking is a way of earning passive income by locking up your cryptocurrency to support the operations of a proof-of-stake blockchain. Gemini makes this process simple and secure. They currently support staking for assets like Ethereum, ETH, and Solana, SOL. This is a fantastic opportunity for long-term holders to generate rewards on their assets without having to manage the technical complexities of running their own validator node. Beyond the major assets, Gemini's list also includes a wide range of other cryptocurrencies that cater to different investment theses and interests. We're talking about assets like Filecoin, FIL, a decentralized storage network, and Zcash, ZEC, a privacy-focused cryptocurrency. The inclusion of these assets demonstrates Gemini's commitment to providing a diverse and comprehensive selection for its users. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.